Hello everyone, this is my review of these HY-T26 Headphones earbuds for workouts and daily use. The Bluetooth 5 for connection is stable and fast, with no lag or dropouts. The sound quality is impressive, delivering clear, hi-fi stereo sound with solid bass and crisp highs, which makes listening to music or podcasts really enjoyable. One of the standout features is the 36-hour battery life with a portable charging case. The lanyard is a nice touch, making the case easy to carry around without worrying about losing it. The fit is super comfortable and secure, even during intense workouts. I haven't experienced any discomfort or slippage. I hope this review helps.